Hi guys, welcome to Garden with Friends. Fall bulb season is here, and this is one of my favorite times to visit the garden center. These shelves are full of promise. Every bag holds the magic of next spring blooms. Today, let's take a closer look at daffodils, how to choose the right ones, plant them properly, and enjoy their cheerful color year after year. I already have a lot of bulbs in my garden, daffodils especially, but I can never resist adding more. If I spot a variety I haven't tried or want to add a favorite group, it somehow finds its way into my basket. And when there's a sale, 25, 50, sometimes even 75% off, well, how could anyone walk away from that? There are so many beautiful choices, it's easy to get carried away. But once you know what to look for on the label, choosing daffodils becomes simple and actually kind of fun. Here is a quick guide that summarizes what to look for when selecting the right daffodils for your garden. Start with bloom time, early, mid or late, because combining them keeps the garden blooming for weeks. Then look at the height. Tall, graceful ones make beautiful backdrops and flower beds, while the shorter, sturdy ones are perfect for borders and containers. If you want bulbs that come back year after year, choose naturalizing varieties. They will slowly multiply and turn into those soft natural drifts of color. And for color and form, have fun experimenting. Mix classic yellows with whites, pinks and ruffled doubles to add personality and texture. And don't forget fragrance. Some daffodils have a gentle, sweet scent that adds another layer of joy to your spring garden. So now that we've looked at the main features, the choices you make will bring together a spring garden that's full of color and character. Once you've picked your favorites, plant your daffodil bulbs in fall or even after Christmas. I have one video showing exactly how to plant them and another showing the beautiful spring blooms from late planted bulbs. Check out both if you're curious. Place the bulbs about 2 or 3 times as deep as their height, in well-drained soil and sunny spot, and let nature take over. During the cool months, daffodil bulbs go through a process called vernalization. This chilling period triggers important changes inside the bulb. Starches break down into sugars that provides energy for future growth, and hormones that control plant development and flowering are activated. By spring, the bulbs are fully primed to burst into bloom, bringing those cheerful colors we all look forward to. Daffodils have a long and fascinating history. Originally from Europe and North Africa, they grew wild on sunny hillsides, forest edges, and meadows, thriving in mild climates with well-drained soil. Over centuries, they traveled across continents and became one of the world's most beloved spring flowers. There are about 36 true daffodil species, but their popularity as garden plants has inspired breeders to create over 26,000 cultivated varieties in every shade, size, and bloom form imaginable. One of the best things about daffodils, they're low maintenance and naturally deer and rabbit resistant. Once planted, they'll come back year after year, a true symbol of renewal and resilience in spring garden. Daffodils look wonderful on their own, but they truly shine when mixed with perennials. If their leaves fade in late spring, plants like daylilies, hostas, or hardy geraniums fill in the space, hiding the spent foliage. and keeping your garden looking full and fresh. This simple pairing gives you color and texture layers that last all season. In my fall garden, you can see this in action. As the hosta leaves fade, fresh daffodil foliage is already peeking through beside them, showing how naturally they share the space. Planting daffodils in fall is one of those small garden joys that pays off beautifully in spring. Whether you love classic yellows or more unusual whites and pinks, there is a daffodil that will brighten your garden and your day. Do you have a favorite variety or color combination? Let me know in the comments. I would love to hear what you are planting this season. Thanks for watching Gardening with Friends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me next time for more garden stories and seasonal tips. Happy gardening!